Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Both of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So let us understand topic set. Hmm. Definition of this: a well-defined collection of objects or a well-defined collection of objects or numbers. You can say only object collection of objects. In object, you can take things, numbers, letters, etc. Objects is called set. For example, if we talk about some means like numbers, we can define them even numbers, odd numbers. Okay, so we can define them. But if we talk about rich people in world or in India, then we cannot define because some are on front and some are as a hidden. Okay, so we cannot define. Okay, so when we define in all manner about means objects, then this collection is called set. जैसे कि हमारे पास कोई कलेक्शन है और उसके बारे में हम सारी इंफॉर्मेशन दे सकते हैं ओके जैसे कि अगर हम बात करें कि पॉपुलेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट स्टेट्स इन इंडिया देन वी कैन टेल about the population but we can't tell the beautiful person in a state in a city or rich person in a city or state we cannot define okay that is
Yes,
why this is not well defined okay but if we talk about the population then we can define we can count them okay so when we define well then we can say this collection of objects or things or numbers is called set. Now got it meaning of set?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And its element generally denoted by letters or numbers and set is denoted by capital letter while elements of set are denoted by either by number or letters. For example, set A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, this or like this set B is equal to A, B, C. So these are two sets. So let us understand main thing is union or intersection because we use only these two terms of set only union and intersection in conditional probability. So let us understand. Union means we add all elements of given set. Like if we have set A is equal to A, B, C and we have set B is equal to C, D, E. So if we find A union B, union means add all elements but don't repeat any element. Take only one time. As A union B is A, B, C, D, E. We will not repeat this C, okay? We take only one time. सेट में कोई भी एलिमेंट रिपीट नहीं होगा कभी भी ओके
Okay,
सिर्फ
ma'am.
उसको वन टाइम लेंगे यस so any element never be repeated in set okay no element like if we talk about population of India then we don't write like men okay then we say only there are a number of men any number of men any number of women okay so we write in this way we'll not repeat as like men woman that's why we don't repeat any element in set got it
Union sets, right, ma'am?
yeah union means we add all elements but we don't repeat any element You can see here C is here and C is also here. दोनों जगह पर है, बट उसको हम वन टाइम ही लिखेंगे. ओके,
Okay,
गॉट
ma'am.
इट. इंटरसेक्शन मीन्स कॉमन.
Yes, ma'am.
A intersection B means we'll take only common element, which is C here. So we will write only common element here, only C. So this is A intersection B. Got it? So let
Yes,
us
ma'am.
do some more examples related to this topic. We have P, set P is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. While we have set Q is equal to 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Now we need to find a union and intersection of B and Q. So let us find first P union Q. So we have P union Q is
8.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Okay, we will take together all elements of P and Q. We will not repeat any element like this. You can see here we have 8 and 10 here and here also, but we take only one time here. Okay, so this is okay. So this is P union Q. Now let us find intersection. P intersection Q
Is equal to 8.
is 8 and 10 also, because we have two elements in common, this and this also. Okay, so we have P intersection Q is this 8 and 10. Hmm. Let us do now conditional probability or Bayes theorem. Okay, Bayes theorem, or you can say conditional probability. To find conditional probability, Divya, you also have this Bayesian theory of probability in your syllabus. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
or in some book they use Bayes theorem. For conditional probability. So Bayes theorem is probability of A when B is also happen is equal to probability of B when A is happen. We'll understand by doing a question to this formula into probability of A means A is first event while B is another event. Okay, A is one event, and you can and this is another event related to means these are related to one another. Okay, and upon P B probability of B. This is Bayes theorem. And let us understand this this. Hmm. Probability of B while A's happen is equal to probability of B intersection A. But you can take A intersection B also over P A. So let us do a question to understand this formula. So we have data. Here number of students visited tutorial and next for one or fewer. This is data we have. Fewer, one or fewer times. And next two or let us take a small data question. ये थोड़ा large है, थोड़ा और small ले लेती हूँ. Wait. इस पहले हम उससे कर लेते हैं. Then we'll do this question after a question. This is little bit lengthy to understand. Wait, just wait. We have data like yes, no, total, male, females, and total. So in this column we have value 15, 17, and total is 32. And in this column We have 5, 3, and total is 8. And here total is horizontally like 15 and 5 is 20. And here's this also 20.
21. Sorry, 20.
20, yes. And we have this total of the total, we have 40 here. So this is data we have. Now we have two conditions for each males and females like yes and no. Okay, so if we have to find a probability of yes for male, so this is conditional probability. For yes, or you can find for no also. Probability to get yes for male. So yes is you can take as a B, and this for male, this is you can consider A. So how will find? So what is common for both condition? For yes, yes and males, we have value 15 and over total male. We divide favorable cases by total number of cases. So we have total males 20, 15 plus 5, we have 20.
20.
Got it?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. So we will divide it by 20. So we will get, sorry, 5, 3 are 5, 4s are. And we have 3 by 4. This is conditional probability. Now got it? And you can write here B oblique E probability of this condition. Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can find now probability of with the help of this or by using Bayes theorem. And you can find probability of no of female. Can you tell me now what will be the answer?
3 upon 20.
Yes, because no and female we have value 3. Column of no and number of females are 3 only. Now probability for yes in female is
17 upon 20.
yes. Now probability to get for no and males
0.85.
5 upon 20. For condition no and males, we have 5 upon 20. 20. And we have 1 by 4.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ask.
मैम आपने 17 अपॉन 20 कटेगा नहीं क्या?
No. क्योंकि ये प्राइम नंबर है, this is composite number or also even number.
ओके.
ठीक है? और ये भी नहीं कटेगा.
3 upon
Okay.
20.
So yeah. So now you understand this conditional probability.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us do a question of Bayes theorem. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Conditional probability समझ आ गई हार्दिक?
Yes, ma'am.
Divya,
Yes, ma'am.
got it?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So let us do a question of Bayes theorem.
ये कंडीशन प्रोबेबिलिटी की बेस थ्योरम थी। अब किसकी बता रही देखते हैं। ठीक है, क्या होता है?
Wait, just opening the question. Okay, wait. Wait, just opening the related question of small values. Okay. So wait. Okay, I'll send you this question. Okay. So the value is given here. Uh, second. मैं क्वेश्चन सेंड कर दूंगी ओके और इसका मैं सोल्यूशन फाइंड कर लेते हैं और वो क्वेश्चन भी देख लेते हैं I'm explaining 1% of population has X disease. A screening test accurately detects a disease for 9% of people with it. The test also indicate the disease of for 15% for the people without it. And suppose a person screened for these for the disease test positive. What is the probability that they have? इनकी 1% को है ये इसके टोटल पॉपुलेशन का 1% गिवन है ओके स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट एक्यूरेटली डिटेक्ट द डिजीज फॉर 90%. 90% ऑफ पीपल जो भी जो डिजीज एक्स है उससे सफर्ड है मीन्स इन स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट The test also indicates the disease for 15% people without it. ये third condition given है. Okay, I'll send you this question, and in this question given that we have P D this, and you can write as also, write this also. Okay, and P G. मीन्स के ओनली 1% तो हमारी एक्स डिजीज है, बट इन स्क्रीनिंग इट इज मीन्स कि इन दिस बोथ कंडीशन मीन्स प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ दिस बोथ कंडीशन की स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट के साथ स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट एक्यूरेटली डिटेक्ट द डिजीज फॉर 90% of people with it. So 90% when we convert in decimal form, then you'll get 0.9. Got it?
9.
Yes. And without it, it is 15%. Wait, just opening. ये क्लोज हो गया थोड़ा, मैं ओपन करती हूँ क्वेश्चन को. Just
ऐसा लगता नहीं।
ठीक है, मैं इसको बाद में ओपन कर लूंगी. ये अभी अभी मैंने ओपन किया, पता नहीं है. We can do it by taking an example like this. ये तो क्वेश्चन था, मैं भी इसको करवा दूंगी. भी जस्ट ये क्लोज हो गया, टाइम वेस्ट होगा. वेट, we can take an example like we have PA like 0.2 and PV. They will give you such kind of values. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
0.5 and you have P A oblique B, means A is happening when B is happen. That is 2.1. So let us find now P B oblique A, or you can find probability of B when A is happen. Okay. So by Bayes theorem, what is Bayes theorem? अभी तुम लोगों को कुछ क्वेश्चंस वगैरह मिले हैं पीडीएफ या किसी में भी मिले हैं? नहीं.
No, ma'am, अभी तो नहीं मिले.
अच्छा, this is the Bayes theorem. Okay. P probability of B oblique A into PA upon PB is equal to this. And you can this exchange as, if you need to find this, then just cross multiply this and divide, sorry, just cross multiply this value to A oblique B and just divide by PA like this. You can find a probability of B oblique A by using probability of A when B is happen and P B over P A. We are using this formula, just simplifying it. Okay, when we have this, when we have value of this one, then we can find this. Just putting these values PA or PB. Okay, when we have value of this only and we need to find this, then just simple just cross multiply and divide by PA, then you can get this formula. Got it?
Ma'am, can
Now
you
you
explain
have
one?
the, yes, sure. We can convert a formula to different ways, and you can find different relationship between terms. Okay, let's see. We have probability of A and B is happening together, and P of B of like A into PA. Okay, अपॉन PB. अगर हमने ये फाइंड करना है इस कंडीशन में, तो हम इसको फाइंड कर रहे हैं, एंड वी हैव वैल्यूज ऑफ दीज थ्री. ओके, but we don't have value of this, and we have value of this, and we need to find value of this one we need to find out value of this. So just simply just cross multiply it, like you can write p b a into p a by cross multiplying is equal to p a with b into p b, like this. Can you write it? Just multiply this here. Okay,
Okay.
and now because you need to find only this only, so just divide by this. You can take here, क्योंकि जब भी हम साइड चेंज करते हैं तो साइन चेंज हो जाता है. ये मल्टीप्लाई है और इसको साइड चेंज करेंगे तो ये डिवाइड हो जाएगा. गॉट इट? तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में अगर हमें पी बी ऑब्लिक ए फाइंड करना है, तो वैसे तो ये डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूले में हम कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं इसको. मैं अभी इसका एक एग्जांपल देके और एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगी. Okay, got it? So you can find this formula also by using this formula, and you can learn separately these both formulas also. You can just learn separately, otherwise you can find this by using this simple one. Okay, let us understand how we find it by taking a small example, like you have x upon 2 and y y over 3. Okay, if you have value of y, if you have value of I, and you need to find value of x, you need to find value of x, just simply cross multiply this 2, because you need the value of x. Like you have x and just to cross multiply 2, this 2 cross multiply, this is called cross multiplication, जब भी हम साइड चेंज करते हैं. ओके, and you have 3 already. Okay,
Okay.
now got it? And if you have value of x and you need to find y, then just cross multiply 3 to x. So this is the way. हमने जो भी किया है वो यही किया है कि जिसकी वैल्यू फाइंड की है तो ऑल अदर वैल्यूज को हम अनदर साइड लेकर जाएंगे. मल्टीप्लाई है तो डिवाइड हो जाएगा, डिवाइड है तो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. ठीक है, अगर प्लस है तो माइनस हो जाएगा, साइड चेंज करने पर माइनस है तो प्लस हो जाएगा. तो अगर
Yes,
हमारे
ma'am.
पास x की वैल्यू है, y की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, then we just cross multiply. It means कि y is equal to 3x over 2. तो हमने ये इस फॉर्मूले में भी यही किया है. ओके, इसमें भी हमने यही किया है कि अगर इसकी वैल्यू है तो हम इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला. और अगर हमारे पास इसकी वैल्यू ऑलरेडी है बट हमें इसकी फाइंड करनी है, तो वही हमने सिंपली क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया है एंड वी फाइंड दिस फॉर्मूला. ओके,
Okay.
सेपरेटली भी दोनों को डिफरेंट लर्न कर सकते हो, बट हम एक से ही अदर फॉर्मूलाज को भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
सो लेट अस डू क्वेश्चन जो हम कर रहे थे वो कर लेते हैं. ये दोनों वैल्यू हमने ले ली. Okay, और हमें ये फाइंड करना है. Then P B oblique A is equal to,
नहीं.
formula is P A oblique B into, you can see here what we have.
Huh?
Yes, ask. Do you want to know something?
Nothing, ma'am.
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay. So here we have into PB and divided by PA. They will give you value of these all. Just substitute all values of PA oblique B is 0.1. This is 0.1. Multiply with value of PB is 0.5. Take 0.5 over PA. What is PA? So PA is 0.2. 0.2. Do you know the decimal rule? If we have same place of decimal, then we can cut it. Do you know this? Do you know or not? If we have same places of decimal, you can see here one place of decimal, one place of decimal. You can cut this also.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
तो अगर सेम प्लेस ऑफ डेसिमल है तो हम उससे कैंसिल कर सकते हैं ऊपर नीचे, जैसे 0 से 0 को कैंसिल करते हैं ना, सिमिलर
Yes,
वे
ma'am.
हम डेसिमल को भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. ओके, same as when we cut 0, like if we have 10 upon 100, then we can cut 1 0, and 100 upon 100, then we can cut the 0. Similarly, if we have same places of decimal, then we can cancel them. Got it? So decimal cancel by one another. Then now we have 1 into 0.5 over 2. So you have only 0.5. When you multiply by 1, then you will get the same number. And now you have 0.25. Got it? So this is
0.2.
yes, probability of P of like A. And remember this thing, you can find probability for any condition, but it is always less than 1, or sum of probability is 1. Okay, this will always lie between 0 and 1.
Fine.
Cannot be less than 0 and not greater than 1.
Fine.
Okay, so this is the base theorem, and we have done conditional probability, and tomorrow we will do these both distribution, binomial distribution, both of you have, and normal, right? So tomorrow
Yes.
we'll finish them, binomial distribution and normal distribution.
मैम एक
उसके
डाउट
बाद
है
एक,
मुझे.
हाँ पूछो.
मैम जो आप जैसे कह रहे थे डेसिमल से डेसिमल कट जाता है, जैसे
हाँ
डेसिमल में ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा होगा और जीरो में आ रहा होगा, तो जीरो से जीरो कटेगा ना फिर?
हाँ, जैसे मैं भी एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू और क्लियर कर देती हूँ. वेट, यू कैन यू नो कि डेसिमल से हम 0 इंक्रीज कर लेते हैं. यू नो दिस थिंग और नॉट?
Yes,
Okay, I
ma'am.
tell you. If you have like 0 point or just 0.3 here, 0.3 here, just cut this decimal and increase 1 0.
Okay.
If you
Yes, ma'am.
have 1 upon 0.03, you have now two places of decimal. So now
So
cut there.
0.03.
Can yes. So you will increase two zeros when you cancel this decimal in opposite. Means if you cut in denominator, then you will increase 0 in numerator. If you cut in like in numerator, like you have here and you have 10 here, or any number you have here. If you cut here, then you will increase 0 here. Okay, if you cancel in numerator, then you will increase 0 in denominator. If you
Okay,
cancel
ma'am.
in denominator, then you will increase 0 in numerator.
Numerator.
Okay, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
जितना places of decimal है उतने ही हमारे 0 increase हो जाएंगे. Similarly, if you have like 2 0.2 and 0.3. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and now hmm, you can increase 1 0 by taking 1, and you can take this way. अगर कोई भी नंबर नहीं है, मीन कि ये भी डेसिमल का नंबर था, तो हम डायरेक्ट 0 इंक्रीज नहीं कर सकते थे, तो यू कैन टेक इन दिस वे ऑल्सो. सो टेक 10 हियर एंड बिलो. तो ये सेम कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, और वैसे भी हमारे डेसिमल भी हम डायरेक्ट कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. देन यू विल गेट सी.
Yes. 2/3.
यस. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
If you have like a 0.2 or 0.03, now you have two places of decimal, and here you have only
One.
one place of decimal. So what will you do? Take here two zeros
Yes, ma'am.
in numerator, and for
Numerator.
this you will have only 1 0, because you have only one place of
One
decimal
place of.
in numerator. So increase only 1 0. Okay. So what
Yes.
will you have in final?
2 by.
Take this, and you can now cut this. Okay. You have 20/3.
3.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. So now we'll do tomorrow rest of. Okay. Sure.
Okay, ma'am.
Sure. We'll do tomorrow binomial distribution and normal distribution. And yeah, after tomorrow we'll finish it. Means on the Saturday, we'll finish Poisson distribution, and Divya, I'll finish your on Saturday. For half an hour, you will do for each of you will half an hour do separately, and 1 hour you can do combined. Okay,
Okay.
if you want, if you have time, and if you want, then you can. Divya, you will do on Saturday exponential, and Hardik, you will do this Poison. These
Yes.
two topics are different for each other. Okay,
Poison.
so let's do tomorrow. Okay,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
okay, bye.
Ma'am, you have to give me the questions.
Yes, किसका बेस थ्योरम का या उसका किसका
मैम आपने
किसका
उसका नहीं भेजा था, मैंने आपको
we
याद
didn't
मैं भी
upload the
याद दिला
notes.
भेजा था.
ठीक
एसकेबी
है हाँ किसका
Ma'am, you
एसकेबी
didn't.
का एसकेबी का डिस्क्रीट वाला और ग्रुप वाला.
एस के वी स्पीयरमैन स्पीयरमैन कोरिलेशन कोफिशिएंट.
क्वेश्चन और. यस मैम. आपने इसका क्वेश्चन नहीं भेजा तो मैं भी आपको रिमाइंड
ओके
करना
ओके
भूल
अब
गया.
तो अभी
Ma'am,
इसके
we
बाद
didn't
तो फिर
upload
रेगुलर
the
है
notes.
ही. ओके ओके ठीक है बोथ ऑफ यू मैं अभी सेंड कर दूंगी आफ्टर 10. मुझे रिमाइंड करा देना एक बार. ओके मेक मी रिमाइंड.
ओके
ओके
मैम.
आफ्टर 10 p.m. Yeah, I'll surely send you both of.
ओके थैंक यू मैम.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye.